headlines have been covered with snowfall in Bangalore. A lot many people are skeptical about rising air pollution. However, there has been an interesting thing that has been witnessed, and this can be explained through the tree theory. So this strange white foam that could be seen on the city is because of the soap nut trees. Now this soap nut trees in the local language is called as aretha. There are two major components of Ayurvedic hair cleaners, and these are aretha and shikakai. Aretha is considered as content which is used to remove the extra soap or extra dirt and oil, and shikakai is considered as a natural conditioner. So this aretha tree, when it flowers and the flower sheds, and on the road when you have the vehicles passing over it, it would create a layer of white foam, and this has been witnessed in the regions of Nimhans Dairy Center in Bangalore, and has created viral videos of snowfall in Bangalore. Now, one of the very important benefits of soap nut tree, which is aretha, is of course the cleansing properties, but besides that, it is used as an antibacterial, it is used as an antifungal, it is used to treat eczema, psoriasis, it is used for cosmetic creams, as detergent, biosurfactant, and there are numerous other purposes for which aretha tree is used. Now this belongs to the family which is known as Sapinidae. Now again, the berries of this tree are produced every 9 to 10 years. Okay, so every 9 to 10 years these berries are produced, and they are mainly used for washing purposes. The tree, if it attains a full height and a full maturity, can be for 70 years with 20 meters of height. The girth of the tree can be 3 to 5 meters, which is very big. It enjoys actually a warm climate in the tropical and the subtropical areas, grows well in clay, loamy soil, and is one of the major deciduous vegetation which is seen in most part of India. But besides India, it's also found in the regions of China, Hawaii, Florida. So this has been a very interesting headlines today. Interesting concept. Of course, you could see questions related to soap nut trees in your upcoming prelims examination. We will be covering similar important coverages and facts. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.